How to do slow motion on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add slow motion effect to your video or how you can set your video to slow motion on CapCut. Well, the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up CapCut, and then what you want to do is you want to load up the video that you want to add the slow motion effect to. In my case, I'll just open this particular video, let it load up. Once you add up the video, what you want to do here is you can simply select the video. Now if you want, you can cut out the part, like suppose you want to use this part up to here, you want to add the slow motion effect, right? You can split this and you can see the video has been split. Now what you want to do is you want to select the split video, or you want to select the part of the video that you want to add the slow motion effect to, and down below you can see split effect, right? And besides split, you can see the speed option. You want to simply tap on speed, and now from here you can see the normal option. You can use the normal option, and from here you can reduce. Now you can see it's on 1x speed. You can reduce it up to 0.1 here, 0.1, and if you play the video you can say it'll be added to slow motion. This slow motion will be added. Now I have set it to very slow, so it's quite not smooth, but if you wish you can set up a bit slower and you can increase the smoothness of the video. So this way you can add slow motion effect, or if you wish to add other effects, you can simply select the video. You want to head into add option, and from here you want to swipe to the right until you find the option motion, and you'll be able to use the zoom, slow motion effects and such from here. So this way you can add slow motion effect on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.